So listen, this is kind of more like a personal type of message. This is for the people who keep trying to do black magic and witchcraft over here on me or whatever y'all doing. God sees you and he shows me you. I see a lot of things through the eyes of Christ. I don't have this gift on my own. God shows me y'all, okay? He shows me some people's faces. He shows me some people's names who be doing stuff. The people who be spreading lies, spreading gossip to people about me. But whatever has been in the darkness is gonna come to the light. I just keep praying for y'all mercy though, because I still love y'all with the love of Christ, even though y'all doing so much wickedness. But please stop. I don't want y'all to hurt yourself.